Hi guys, it's Shelby from Lucky Vitamin, and today we're making this healthy paleo pizza that will fool any pizza lover into thinking it's the real deal. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is preheat my oven to 425. While I'm waiting for the oven to preheat, I'm going to make my crust. Here at Lucky Vitamin, we sell a bunch of different kinds of pizza crusts, but today I'm going to be using Julian Bakery's because all you need is water. Grab a bowl, and along with your pizza crust mix, you're going to need a half a cup of water and a pinch of salt. Mix your ingredients and form it into a dough ball. Don't be put off by the sticky consistency of this dough. All gluten-free pizza crust mixes tend to be sticky. Spray your pan and then spread your pizza dough out into your favorite pizza shape. Then prick your crust all over with a fork. Place your pizza in your preheated oven for 9 to 11 minutes or until golden brown. As your crust is cooking, you're going to want to grab the rest of your ingredients: olive oil, red onion, marinara, minced garlic, uncured pepperoni, basil, and dairy-free mozzarella cheese. Start with olive oil to taste. Next up, you're going to add your marinara sauce. Add your onions. Add your minced garlic. Add your dairy-free cheese. Add your uncured pepperoni, and if you're a vegetarian, you can skip this step. Add fresh basil. Place in oven until cheese is melted. If you guys like this kind of video, subscribe to us here at Lucky Vitamin. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, or you can contact one of our wellness ambassadors that are here 7 days a week. And as always, spread the wellness.